Buenas! Today we're making Chamorro red rice, or is it Balensiana rice to you? A printable recipe is linked in the description and at the end. Rinse 3 cups or 680 grams of short to medium grain Calrose-style white rice. This is the third rinse. Add a packet or 10 grams of achoti or annatto powder, 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons or 12 grams of salt. Stir to completely dissolve the dry seasonings. Add 4 cups or 946 milliliters of water using the same measuring cup you measured the rice with. This is a half cup or 80 grams of diced yellow onions, stir it in, and taste the water. Add a half cup or 115 grams of bacon. This bacon will release just a little bit of oil into the rice. I mean, biting into a hunk of thick bacon, oh yeah. For extra deliciousness, add 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of fresh lard or your choice of oil. Red rice with lots of manteca is perfect for Chamorro freezer-friendly food. Add 4 tablespoons or 42 grams of butter and wipe the pot. Place in the rice cooker, clean the rim, and stir. After 25 minutes, fold the rice to thoroughly combine the ingredients, especially the achoti powder that settled at the bottom of the pot. Look at that bacon! It's from our local Reverence farm right here in North Carolina. Their pork products are incredibly delish. Cover and let the rice finish cooking. Once done, fold the cooked rice onto itself. Scoop up and flip. Don't stir. If you want to make Guam red rice on the stove with achoti seeds, there is a link in the description to that red rice recipe. No Chamorro barbecue is complete without red rice. I just got back from Guam, so stay tuned for more Mariana Island goodness. Thanks for spending time with me. Si Diyos maasi, sana Diyos este aquí.